Mastering mobile advertising. Mobile advertising options. SMS, simple messaging system. WAP, web access protocol. Example, a friend requests like the ones you receive on Facebook. Mobile display advertisements. Search engine ads. Rich media experience. Video opportunity. Push notifications. Other ways to get the job done. Joint venture app marketing campaign. That is, purchase or join forces with somebody who has created a relevant app. Rich media advertising campaigns. Contract a coder or specialized service to create a highly specialized program for your business. In Chapter 6, we will look at tactics for targeting and tracking mobile marketing.